Another big advantage we offer is flexibility. With our API access, you can pull full credit reports directly from your own platform. View and manage consumer credit data inside your existing system. Fully integrate credit reporting workflows into your digital ecosystem. And almost all of our products and reports are available via API. This means no toggling between platforms, no manual exporting, just seamless, automated credit data where you need it. Plus, we integrate with the tools you already use, including Salesforce, Meridian Link, DealerTrack, Route 1, almost all major loan origination systems, and most leading CRMs. Wherever you work, SoftPull Solutions fits right in. If you're looking for the most complete credit reporting and data solution, from consumer soft and hard pulls to business credit, income and bank verification, criminal data, UCC filings, employment information, and API integrations, SoftPull Solutions is here for you. Call us today at 844-515-1550 or click the link on our website to schedule an appointment. SoftPull Solutions, all your credit reporting, one powerful platform.